Did you know that every year 48 million Americans get sick from foodborne illnesses and over 3,000 don't make it, many of them seniors? The CDC says older adults are hit hardest because their immune systems aren't as tough as they used to be. Here's the shocker. Your fridge, the place you trust to keep food safe, might be turning everyday staples into hidden health risks. New research reveals that chilling certain foods can crank up your chances of food poisoning, zap nutrients, and even spark nasty chemical reactions. Worse, most people don't even realize they're doing it wrong. If you've been tossing fruits, veggies, or pantry items into the fridge without a second thought, you could be rolling the dice on your health. The number one food on our list is a real eye-opener. It doesn't just lose its goodness in the cold, it can develop harmful compounds that hit seniors especially hard. Stick with us to the end. This info could seriously protect your health, maybe even save your life. First, drop a comment below with where you're watching from, and hit like and subscribe for more tips like this. Ready? Here are the 9 foods you should never refrigerate. The 9 foods to keep out of your fridge. Number 9. Potatoes. The silent toxin maker potatoes are a kitchen go-to, but stashing them in the fridge is a big mistake. Here's why: cold temps turn their starches into sugars fast. Sounds harmless, right? Nope. When you cook those sugary spuds, especially at high heat, those sugars mix with amino acids to form acrylamide, a compound linked to cancer in animal studies and still under the microscope for humans. Plus, refrigerated potatoes get mushy, grainy, and oxidized, losing nutrients and flavor. That sweet, off-texture roast you've noticed? Blame the fridge. Keep potatoes in a cool, dark, dry spot, not cold and damp, to stay firm, tasty, and safe. Got some chilling now? Pull them out before dinner turns risky. Number 8. Bread. The stale trap. Think refrigerating bread keeps it fresh? Think again, it's the fastest way to ruin it. Cold triggers retrogradation, where starch crystallizes, making bread stale in record time. That soft loaf turns dry, tough, and crumbly, not great for toast or sandwiches. Worse, the fridge's moisture sets the stage for mold once it's back out, and some molds pack mycotoxins that can mess with seniors' weaker immune systems. Freezing's your friend here. Slice it, bag it, and defrost as needed. But at room temp in a bread box or sealed container, it'll last a few days just fine. Don't let the fridge steal your bread's soul or your health. Number 7. Onions. The smelly spoiler onions might seem fridge-friendly, but that's a trap. Their papery skin keeps them firm and flavorful in dry conditions, but the fridge's cold, humid air makes them soggy, moldy, and off-tasting. Cut onions? Even worse, they soak up moisture and can grow bacteria fast. Plus, their sulfur compounds leak out, flavoring your butter or fruit with an oniony tang you didn't sign up for. Whole onions belong in a dry, ventilated pantry. Cut ones, seal tight, and use within a day or two in the fridge, but only if you must. Skip the chill to avoid a stinky, spoiled mess. Number 6. Tomatoes. The flavor killer tomatoes in the fridge? Bad move. These tropical fruits hate the cold. It stalls their ripening enzymes, leaving them bland, watery, and mealy. That juicy burst you love? Gone. The chill also breaks down vitamin C and wrinkles the skin, cutting both nutrition and appeal. Ever sliced into a dull, soft tomato? It's been fridge sapped. Store them stem down at room temp, away from sunlight, to keep that fresh taste and goodness. Overripe? Cook them fast, don't chill them into oblivion. Number 5. Garlic. The botulism risk. Garlic's a health superstar. Its allicin fights inflammation and boosts immunity, but the fridge can turn it into a hazard. Cold makes whole bulbs sprout early, losing that sharp bite and key nutrients. Chopped or minced in oil? That's a botulism breeding ground. Clostridium botulinum thrives there, risking paralysis or worse, per FDA warnings. Keep whole garlic in a dry, ventilated spot like a mesh bag in the pantry. Chopped? Use it fast with vinegar or lemon juice, not oil, and skip the fridge to preserve its power safely. Number 4. Coffee. The taste wrecker. Coffee in the fridge? Nope, it's a flavor and health disaster. Beans and grounds soak up moisture and odors like a sponge, picking up fridge smells. Think onion-tinged brew. Humidity causes clumping, stalling, and mold, while condensation zaps the oils and antioxidants like chlorogenic acids that make coffee a heart-brain booster. You're left with a flat, bitter cup. Store it in an airtight, opaque container in a dark cabinet instead. Fresh, tasty, and potent for weeks. Number 3. Honey. The crystal culprit: honey's a natural preservative. It doesn't need the fridge, and chilling it ruins everything. Cold makes it crystallize fast, turning that smooth gold into a gritty, hard mess. Worse, opening and closing the jar in the fridge adds moisture, risking fermentation or microbial growth that sours the taste and weakens its antibacterial edge. Keep it in a sealed jar in a pantry, away from heat and light. It'll stay perfect for years. Don't let the fridge undo honey's magic. Number 2. Bananas. The tropical tragedy: bananas thrive in warmth, not cold. Refrigerate them unripe, and their ripening stops dead. Hard, bland fruit with black, mushy peels. Even ripe ones suffer. Antioxidants like dopamine fade, and moisture breeds mold near the stem. That metallic taste? Cold damage. Hang them at room temp in a fruit bowl for peak flavor and nutrition. Too ripe? Freeze peeled for smoothies, not chilled whole. Save their tropical vibe. Number 1. Olive oil, the health saboteur. Olive oil tops our list for a reason. It's a senior staple that refrigeration wrecks. Cold solidifies it, and every in and out from the fridge stresses its structure, speeding oxidation. That creates free radicals, slashing antioxidants and turning heart-healthy oil into an inflammation driver. Bad news for joints and digestion, per studies. Flavor tanks too, losing that peppery kick. Store it in a dark bottle in a cool cabinet, not near the stove, for up to 2 years of goodness. Don't let the fridge ruin this golden gem. Start rethinking your kitchen now. Keep bananas and tomatoes at room temp, stash potatoes and onions in dark, dry spots, and let bread and honey shine outside the fridge. Coffee and garlic, pantry only. Your food's flavor, nutrients, and safety depend on it. What's been chilling that shouldn't? Tell us below. What'll you change today? Thanks for watching.